Hello everyone to the Auto Extreme. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 is here, and it's bringing a new level of excitement to the compact SUV market. Toyota has made sure this popular model has everything you need, from advanced technology to impressive performance, while keeping the reliability the brand is known for. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 RAV4 stand out. First, let's talk about the design. The 2025 RAV4 keeps the bold, rugged look that drivers have come to love, with a few updates that give it a fresh appeal. The front grille is slightly more aggressive, and the new LED headlights add a modern touch. Whether you're on the highway or taking it off-road, the RAV4's exterior design has that perfect balance between sophistication and adventure-ready style. It's a car that looks at home in both the city and on rugged trails. Moving on to the interior, Toyota has really elevated the comfort and tech in the cabin. The seats are comfortable and provide excellent support for long drives. Plus, the cabin is designed with quality materials, giving it a premium feel. The spaciousness is another plus. With plenty of room for passengers and cargo, you can easily fit all your gear or family in the back, making it a great choice for weekend trips or road vacations. Now, let's talk about technology. The 2025 RAV4 comes with the latest Toyota Infotainment system, which includes a 7-inch touchscreen as standard, with an upgrade option for a larger 9-inch display. The system is intuitive, responsive, and easy to use, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration. You can also expect a full suite of safety features with Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 package, which includes pre-collision braking, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control, among others. These safety features are perfect for providing peace of mind, no matter where the road takes you. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 offers several powertrain options. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that delivers a solid 203 horsepower, offering a great balance of power and efficiency. For those looking for better fuel economy or even more environmentally friendly options, Toyota also offers the RAV4 Hybrid, which provides an excellent fuel economy rating, or the plug-in hybrid, the RAV4 Prime, for those who want the option of going fully electric for shorter trips. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 RAV4 is its off-road capability. For adventure enthusiasts, the TRD off-road trim takes things to the next level, offering enhanced suspension, skid plates, and special off-road tires. Whether you're tackling dirt trails or snow-covered roads, the RAV4's all-wheel drive system and robust build make it one of the top contenders in the off-road compact SUV category. And, of course, let's not forget about the driving experience. The 2025 RAV4 delivers a smooth ride and responsive handling. It strikes a nice balance between being sporty enough for an engaging drive while still offering comfort for daily commuting. Whether you're driving in the city or taking it on a weekend getaway, the RAV4 is versatile enough to handle any terrain and driving condition. To sum it up, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 is a well-rounded compact SUV that excels in style, comfort, technology, and performance. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver, an adventure-ready off-roader, or a hybrid for better fuel efficiency, the RAV4 has you covered. This year's model is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for an SUV that offers something for everyone.